Hi friends, it's Terri Gaines, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. In this video, I'm going to share a beautiful suite of product that will be available in Stampin' Up's May through August 2026 catalog. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of this beautiful suite. A suite is using one code number to purchase all the items in the suite, or you can purchase the items individually. In this suite, there is a bundle. A bundle is when a stamp set and dies or a stamp set and punch are bundled for 10% savings. In this case, it's a stamp set and dies, and you can purchase the items individually, but if you use the bundle code number, then you can get a 10% savings. The stamp set has 10 images, and the dies have 7 dies. I made a little sampler to help see what's in the bundle. You have these versatile sentiments and this leaf stamp. You have these 3 stamps that can be cut out with dies, plus you have these beautiful dies for some decorative creating. Absolutely beautiful bundle. It includes a 3D embossing folder called Floral Spray 3D. Now this is a larger die. This one is 6 by 8.5, but the cardstock is slightly smaller than 6 by 8.5. I used a 5 3/4 by 8 1/4 piece of cardstock I put in here. So as I mentioned, it's a 3D embossing folder, and hopefully the camera picks up the beautiful 3D floral design that you get with this. I did use this for some of my card samples. There's also a specialty paper pack in this packet. You get 2 each of these 3 different 12 by 12 white specialty cardstock. It has this beautiful embossed image. So this is one of the 12 by 12 pieces. You get 2 of those, you get 2 of this one, and then you get 2 of this one. So you can use these for multiple different things. Just to show you a little bit, I cut some strips of these and I used a blender brush and I colored in some of the Granny Apple Green coloring here to kind of show how you can really utilize this paper. Absolutely beautiful specialty paper. That's part of the suite collection. There are these beautiful embellishments, 3 different colors, 2 different sizes, and these are the shimmering dots embossing or embellishments. There's a little bit of a shimmer in each one of these, so it's really, really pretty. I shared some of these in my card samples. The designer series paper, as I mentioned, you can purchase these items separately or they're in the suite, is absolutely beautiful. It's 12 by 12 in size. You get 2 each of 6 different double-sided designs. So this is one of the 12 by 12 designs, and this is the back side of that paper. So front and back side of the first print. This is the second print that I have here. Beautiful background. And this is the other side of that print. Very nice background papers. Look at this beautiful design. This is one of the designs. You get 2 of these, and the back side has this great background image. Then here is the 4th design. Beautiful design here, full sheet, 12 by 12, and this is the other side of that print. Then we have this print. This is the back side of that. And then we have this print, and this is the back side. I forgot to mention the colors coordinate. The colors in the designer series paper coordinate with all of these Stampin' Up exclusive exclusive colors, and it is absolutely beautiful designer series paper. So our exclusive colors are available in cardstock, ink pads, embellishments, so many different products. Love that they all coordinate. So what I did was I created some card samples. So this card sample is using this stamp here and this stamp, and I just use those leaves individually. I have the background with that embossing folder, and I did bring in the stylish shape dies, plus I brought these little butterflies in. These are also in the new catalog. These are the 2026-2027 in color butterflies. The 5 in colors plus clear. So I did use those also on some of my card samples. So that's one of my card samples. Then I used these dies. I loved working with these dies. So I used this die, and I used that one twice. I die cut it twice, and I did cut it straight here. I did emboss my entire card base. I just folded that, put it in the embossing folder, and it texturized the front and the back. And I did add an insert on the inside, and just loved working with these dies. I did color in the stems with the Granny Apple Green and blending, or the Stampin' Blend, the light color. Then I did that same card design, but just slightly different. I brought in Petal Pink. I did the embossing folder, and I do have the baker's twine here. And for this card, what I did was I did color in a little bit with the Petal Pink on the top of those flowers, and colored the stems in with the Granny Apple Green Stampin' Blend, the light color. And that's the inside. I did stamp the inside of this one as well, and colored in the leaves with the Granny Apple Light Stampin' Blend. Then I have another card here that I used those same dies on, and this one I brought in the April product of the month, which is the Eyelet Blooms dies, this large die. I cut out the card front on this. I added those dies, and I have designer series paper on the inside. So you open it like that, and then you see the other side of the designer series paper. And I use the stylish shape dies for those. So that's a fun card to create with. Then I wanted to use some of the designer series paper. This designer series paper that I shared with you is absolutely beautiful. Let me bring in the design that I use. I use this print right here. So what I did was I cut from the bottom up here at 5.5. Then I cut a section at 4 inches, and I created this card with that section of the card, or the designer series paper. Stylish shape dies. I used the two-tone pretty peacock for the dies, and then I also stamped on the inside, and I did add those butterflies and some baker's twine. So that's that section of the paper. This next section I used the same 4-inch strip by 5.5, put it on the card front, and then I have my dies at the bottom and the stylish shape dies here. And then for this one, I pretty much followed the same design here. It's just the designer series paper is a different section of that paper. Then for this piece, from this where I cut there up to 5.5, this is this section, but I only have it to this image here, which is approximately 3 inches or 3¼ inch. And I cut that. That's for that section. Then I have this section over here, cut here to right to this image, and I cut out that section. And these two cards I did very similar, and put my baker's twine on here for a little bow. Now this inside section right here and this strip is what I used for these inside layering of the squares in this. So that is not cardstock, that is the designer series paper that I stamped on and created those layers. And these were also fun to create with. So I am excited to make more projects with this beautiful suite of product. And as I mentioned, it will be available starting May 5th. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. And I hope you have a great day. Take care and happy creating.